Hello and welcome again to the channel. We have another question on the board. We have that 2 raised to the power x squared divided by 4x is equal to 16. And we're asked to find the value of x. All right, so let's try to find the solution to this problem. Okay, so first of all, we have 2 raised to the power x squared divided by 4x is equal to 16. Now, we know that 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2. 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 4. So let's try to put everything into the base of 2, and let's see how we can solve this question from there. Now we have 2 raised to the power x squared divided by 2 raised to the power 2x equals 2 raised to the power 4. We know that a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. Okay, so, and we're going to be using this formula for what we have at the denominator. So now the denominator becomes 2 raised to the power x squared divided by 2 raised to the power 2x equals 2 raised to the power 4. Now we have the left-hand side, right-hand side in the base of 2. Now, the denominator, 2 raised to the power 2x, we can move to the top. And if we do that, the 2x gains a negative sign, and it becomes 2 raised to the power minus 2x equals 2 raised to the power 4. We know that a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Now, applying this formula to the left-hand side of the equation we have, since we have the same base, we have 2 raised to the power x squared plus minus 2x equals 2 raised to the power 4. Now, since we have the same base, we can equate the powers. So now we have x squared minus plus will give us minus 2x is equal to 4. Now we can move this 4 over to the left-hand side so that we have x squared minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So now what numbers can we multiply together to get minus 4? And then when we add it together, we still get minus 2. That will not be possible. So we employ our rule, our equation, that minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, from our equation, our a is equal to 1. So from this equation, a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is minus 4. Now, let's impute these values into the equation. So everywhere we find a, we impute 1. Wherever we find b, we'll put minus 2. Wherever we see c, we'll put minus 4. So now we have x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared minus 4, 1. Our c is minus 4 all over 2 times 1. So now x is equal to x now is equal to minus times minus will give us plus, so that becomes 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 4 is 16, minus 16 divided by 2. Right, so now we have x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 16 divided by 2. And this becomes 2 plus or minus root of 20 divided by 2. Now, let's rewrite 20. 20 is the same thing as 5 times 4, right? 5 times 4, right? Now, because we're trying to break it down, root square root of 20 is too big. We need to try to break it down to the simplest form. So now we have 2 plus or minus square root of 5 times 4 divided by 2. Now this is the same thing as x equals 2 plus or minus root of 5 root of 4 divided by 2. And this is same thing as root 5 times 2 divided by 2. Now, let's factor out 2. We can actually factor out 2. So we have 2 into 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. 2 here will cancel out at the denominator and the numerator. And what we have is x equals 1 plus or minus root 5. So we have that x is equal to 1 plus root 5. And then x2 is 1 minus root 5. And these are our answers to this question. So, if you've learned something new today, please make sure to like and share this video with your friends and your loved ones. If you'd like to see more math videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.